Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add YouTube videos to your product description on Shopify. So if you want to make your Shopify description a bit more creative and to showcase your products, and you have this product video recorded and you have it on YouTube, then you can add that YouTube video in your description of your Shopify products just to give your potential buyers much more details, more visuals to those products, and you will most likely be able to convert. So how do you add YouTube videos to your Shopify product description? Now, I'm going to go ahead and click on products here on the left hand side, and I'm going to just open up any random product. So let's just take the first one as an example here. And this is the product description, and it's just about text. Right now, to add a YouTube video within the description, I'm going to just make a space right here, and you want to go ahead and look to the upper part of this page and you will find the insert video icon here. Click on that. Now, this requires an embed code, and this is why I'm going to use a YouTube video as an example here, because you can quickly get the embedded code from YouTube, or if you have any other video, you can upload it somewhere and you can get the embedded code for a video and you can insert it here. So let me head over to YouTube here in one of my videos, how to add a profile picture in Shopify, and I'm going to just click on share right here. And here you are getting a bunch of options here. You can copy the link, but we want embed. So we click on embed here on the share and simply go ahead and click on copy. And this is going to copy the code that we need to insert in our Shopify description. So I'm going to head back over to Shopify here and just simply go ahead and paste this embedded code. This is what you need, and click on insert. And that's going to insert the YouTube video right into the Shopify product description. And there you have it, guys. It is there. So all I have to do now, guys, is just simply click on save, and I can quickly view this. So if I click on view, it's going to take me over to that product description, or I can just go back to product, for example here, and just click on the product again and click on view. It's going to take me directly to that product description here on my Shopify store. So if I scroll down, guys, you will see that I have the product description and there's a YouTube video right into the Shopify description, and you can play it. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how. And that's it, guys. So I know that you see I'm just making some AI content and my shop name is what store. It doesn't matter. Guys, it's super easy. If you want to add videos to your Shopify product description, this is how you do it. Easiest way, especially if you have those videos uploaded on YouTube. You can quickly embed those codes in your Shopify product description and you'll have the YouTube video there. I hope you found this useful, guys, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you have any question, and of course hit that subscribe button. All you need is to embed that YouTube video code into your Shopify description and you'll have your video on your Shopify description super easy.